We've just released our latest addition to RV Wi-Fi, which is our new high gain external antenna. This works in conjunction with both the internal antenna setup, which is the stick antennas, and the external antenna, which is the hockey puck antenna. So we'll show you the setup with the internal antennas first. So that would be simply removing, so we've got our Wi-Fi internal, Wi-Fi external 4G and our 3G antennas. So we would simply remove our stick 4G antenna and screw in the cable for the high gain antenna into the 4G port. And that's with the setup with the internal antennas. With the external antenna ports, we always keep our internal Wi-Fi antenna as our stick antenna, and then we attach from our hockey puck our 3G cable and our Wi-Fi cable. These are all clearly labelled on the cables, so clearly labelled with our white marks. And then again into the 4G external port we attach our new high gain antenna. So that's the setup using the external antenna.